Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the third section of online tutorial. Back with me, Pak Zakaria Bintang. In third section, you will learn about dealing with difficult sentence, especially analyze sentence structure. There are four fundamental English sentence structure. They are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. After finish studying the whole material, you are expected to know and understand English sentence structure theoretically and practically. To know more about it, you can learn Module 4. Please be active on the discussion forum and remember, please do the first assignment in this third section. I think enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.